On the previous school year, we have already learned that a plus b quantity squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And quantity a minus b quantity squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Our next topic is about factoring perfect square trinomials. So we have here a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, and also a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and they are actually the perfect square trinomials. How do we know that a trinomial is a perfect square? Perfect square trinomial is the result of squaring a binomial. A perfect square trinomial has the first and last term, which are perfect squares, and the middle term is twice the product of the first and last terms. So that is, the first and last terms are perfect squares. The middle term is twice the product of the first and last terms. We have here the two perfect square trinomials, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared and a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The difference is the sign of the middle term. Now, can you guess how to factor these perfect square trinomials, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared and a squared minus 2ab plus b squared? That is, great job, Guadans! That is a plus b squared. How about the other one? A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. How can we factor this? That is fantastic, Guadans! That is quantity a minus b quantity squared. So let us have an example. N squared plus 16n plus 64. So the factor of n squared plus 16n plus 64 is, for the positive perfect square trinomials, the factor is a plus b squared, or our a here is n, so that is n plus, our b is 8. So that is n plus 8 quantity squared, or n plus 8 times n plus 8. Let us check. Our first term is a perfect square. So n squared is equal to n times n is equal to quantity n squared. Last term is 64, which is equal to 8 times 8, or 8 squared. The middle term is 16n, or 2 times n times 8. Then it means we are correct that n squared plus 16n plus 64 is a perfect square trinomial. That's it, Guadans, for this week. Now let us answer the trivia. What number does not have its own Roman numeral? What's your answer, Guadans? Marvelous, Guadans! Our answer for this trivia is 0. 0 is the only number that does not have its own Roman numeral. That's it, Guadans! Thank you so much for learning with me, and always enjoy mathematics. See you on the next video. God bless!